Lucky Luciano, a prominent figure in the American Mafia during the Prohibition era, played a pivotal role in organizing the Commission, a governing body that brought together different mafia families. This video explores how Luciano spearheaded the creation of the Commission, reshaping the landscape of organized crime in the United States and establishing a new era of cooperation and power within the Mafia. Recognizing the need for unity. During the 1920s, various mafia families operated independently, often leading to inter-family disputes, conflicts, and a lack of cohesion. Luciano, possessing a strategic mind, understood the value of unity and recognized that collective strength would be far more beneficial than fragmented power. He set out to forge alliances and create a structure that would bring together different mafia families under one organized entity. Formation and purpose of the Commission. In 1931, Luciano orchestrated a secret meeting of top mafia leaders in New York City, where he proposed the formation of the Commission. This governing body consisted of representatives from major mafia families, including his own. The Commission's purpose was to establish a forum for settling disputes, maintaining order, and coordinating criminal activities to maximize profits and minimize conflicts. Functions and structure of the Commission. The Commission operated like a board of directors for the American Mafia, with each participating family having one representative. Decisions were made through a voting system, with a majority required for resolutions to pass. The Commission had the authority to settle disputes, arbitrate conflicts, sanction members for disobedience, and approve or veto major criminal undertakings. This centralized power structure allowed for smoother operations, reduced violence between families, and increased control over criminal activities. Cooperation and division of territories. One of the crucial aspects of the Commission was the division of territories among mafia families. Through careful negotiations and agreements, geographical regions were assigned to specific families, minimizing conflicts over territory and ensuring a more harmonious criminal enterprise. This system allowed for controlled expansion and organized distribution of power, leading to increased stability within the American Mafia. Code of silence and discipline. The Commission emphasized strict adherence to the code of silence known as omerta, which required members to maintain absolute secrecy and loyalty to the organization. Violations of the code were met with severe consequences, including expulsion or even death. This strict enforcement of discipline helped maintain the integrity and power of the Commission, as fear of reprisals discouraged betrayal and cooperation with law enforcement. Legacy and impact. Lucky Luciano's creation of the Commission revolutionized the American Mafia and left a lasting impact on organized crime. The Commission established a hierarchical structure, unified efforts, and facilitated cooperation among mafia families, resulting in increased profits, reduced violence, and a more formidable criminal presence. The Commission set the stage for later mafia operations, their influence reaching far beyond the Prohibition era. Conclusion. Lucky Luciano played a pivotal role in the creation of the Commission, which united various factions of the American Mafia. Luciano's leadership and strategic vision brought about an unprecedented level of collaboration and cooperation among crime families, establishing a centralized body that aimed to resolve disputes and maintain control over organized crime operations. This development marked a turning point in the history of the American Mafia, as it provided a structured framework for decision-making and ensured a level of stability within the criminal underworld. The Commission's influence extended beyond territorial boundaries, serving as a model for organizations worldwide. Luciano's legacy as a shrewd and influential figure in organized crime continues to endure, and the Commission stands as a testament to his ability to shape the criminal landscape of America.